Hey guys, welcome to Poor Man Mods. Today we're going to be installing this Axle Back exhaust on this 2016 WRX, and we'll be doing some exhaust sound clips later for it too. The only other mods done to this car is an intake, so for the exhaust, this is the only modification. So if you're looking for how to install this exhaust and also how it sounds just by itself, you came to the right video because this will be the only exhaust mod done to this car in this video. So let's get to the install and then I will show you how it sounds.
Six and a half hours later.